Your first week on Amazon isn't about sales, it's about not breaking things. Setup beats speed. New sellers rush to list products before confirming their account setup is fully correct. Verification status, delivery preferences, and payment details should be confirmed first, not assumed. A clean foundation in week 1 prevents problems that are harder to fix once you're live. Don't touch what you don't understand. You like yet. New sellers often make listing changes without knowing how those changes affect account health or compliance. One unclear edit can trigger a review or flag that takes longer to resolve than it took to cause. If you're unsure what a setting does, research it before changing it, not after. 3 things worth your first week. Confirm. Every piece of account setup is complete and accurate. Understand your category-specific listing and compliance requirements before publishing. Know where to find help, support docs, seller forms, before you need them urgently. Skip the shortcuts. Don't copy competitor listings without understanding why they're structured that way. Don't rush A+ content or brand registry submissions just to get it done. Slow, correct, and boring beats fast, wrong, and fixable later.